Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Efua. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious savory Ghana party chips. So let's get started. Here's what you need to make these party chips. Some flour, margarine, onions, garlic, baking powder, nutmeg, and some oil for frying. In a large bowl, pour in the flour. Add in the nutmeg and baking powder. I will mix everything together until well combined. So the list of ingredients with their quantities will be in the description box below, so do well to check them out. Next, add in the margarine. Rub your margarine into the flour as I'm doing here. Mix everything together until you have a breadcrumbs consistency like this. Create a wall in the center and add in your grated onion and garlic mixture. Next, add in some water. Add the water gradually. I would like to thank my returning subscribers for liking, commenting and sharing my videos. You guys are amazing. Add the water gradually and mix until you form a dough. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do me a favor by subscribing and be a part of the family. Thank you. Next, wrap the dough in a cling film or rubber. And leave it to rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. So next, sprinkle some flour on your board and place your dough on it. Next, roll your dough. So normally, these Ghana party chips are served during Christmas. And they are paired with some fried coated peanuts, Fanta, Coca-Cola, or malt, and it's so delicious. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you've tried these party chips before, and if you haven't, will you be trying it? So we are rolling our dough until it's paper thin, like this. After rolling your dough, sprinkle some flour on your tray. Next, tear your dough and place them on your tray as I'm doing here. You don't really need a pattern to do this. So if you realize your dough is not that paper thin, you can further roll them as I'm doing here. Next, we'll heat up some oil. You can test if your oil is hot by placing a piece of dough in there. If it floats to the top, it means your oil is hot enough. So we'll fry the chips in batches so that they can have enough room to fry well. So I'm frying on medium-low heat because these chips really burn fast. Once you are done dropping in your dough, stir gently until your chips are golden brown. We will take the chips out of the oil and transfer to a paper towel. So we'll fry the next batch until we are done. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you'll be pairing these chips with. Some Sobolo, Coca-Cola, Fanta, or malt. Do leave a comment below. So we are done frying our chips and it looks so good. If you enjoyed this recipe, watch the flaky chips and the Ghanaian pastries playlist next. The links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.